A truck driver in Alaska found a car buried in snow during a minus 65-degree blizzard. Inside were a mother and two children, completely frozen. Their car had broken down 12 hours earlier. No heat, no phone signal. The mother had wrapped her kids in every piece of clothing they had. The driver broke his truck's window to get blankets, shared his only heat source, drove them 40 miles through whiteout conditions to the hospital. Doctors said they were 30 minutes from death. All three had severe hypothermia. The boy had lost feeling in his fingers. They all survived. The driver refused payment. He said, "I have kids too. Anyone would have done it." But the truth is, 5 other trucks had driven past.